Happy Wednesday, guys. Lola Clear here with another video coming to you from Finviz and Webull today. I just wanted to just point out something because as I learn and prove new strategies, I just want to bring them to you so I can give back to the trading community. From my years of trading. So today I wanted to bring to you the PE ratio, and I wanted to show you why. So I'll show you why first. So this morning at 9:28, VNDA popped up on my PE ratio screener, and this thing just blew up. So I'm showing you here the weekly because like everything else, I either go into my daily and my weekly and I draw my Fibonacci retracement, and then I try to find the best support resistance. Now, if you look here, this axe here where you see me pointing, a nice support, support, resistance, some resistance here. So 1388 was where I thought this thing was going to go if it popped. And this is what happened. Let me go down to the 3-minute. So the 3-minute show this thing at 9:30. If you see here, this was 9:30. You can look over here. Look over here where I'm circling. Now I'm going to put the pointer right there. So at 9:30, it dropped down to 12:55. I saw the big rejection. I saw the gap fill. So I waited for it to let me know that this thing is going to go up. So I got in at 12:80, and then I got out at 13:70. So somewhere up here. I got out at 13:70 because sometimes you don't know if it's actually going to go to that 13:88 because one, you don't know if you draw the thing properly. Two, you don't know if there's something else going on in the background. So I usually come out a little bit earlier, sometimes, maybe 30% of the time before it actually hits my target. As long as I am green, I'm fine. So I came out at 13:70, and I'll show you what it looks like also on Webull. So on Webull, this is what it looks like. At 9:30, this thing dropped down. Then it went over VWAP. I'm sorry, the lines are drawn on a bigger screen. I'm recording from my laptop, but the lines are drawn on my bigger screen, so it's a little off here. But let me just finish explaining. So it popped up over VWAP, and it had a nice candle reaching. And when I saw it on VWAP, I felt good about it. It's twice. Both candles were on VWAP, so I waited, got in at 12:80. Then people getting in right here, other latecomers to the party who doesn't have Finviz, and then I just took it all the way up to 13:70. So somewhere around here. Right here. Then I guess a lot of people are like me. They came out, this thing bounced back up, trying to get to that 1388, but I think maybe I was a little off. So 1384 is where it went to, and then now it's starting to come down. Now the one thing with PE ratio that I found over the years is that it has a nice big pop, and then it just frizzled out. So you have to be careful when you're using PE ratio in your scanner to find stocks, is that you'll get a nice big pop and then it'll just frizzle out. So don't wait for a drop and come back up. Sometimes it does. I usually don't wait around for it. I just take it up, or if I miss the up, then I'll see if it's shortable, and then I'll trade it down. So this is what the scanner looks like. This is what my scanner looks like. So let me go in it, and I select my PE ratio. I have a lot of other stuff there. So what I have is my price range. I don't like to trade penny stocks, but $5 is still penny stock, but Nonetheless, $5 to $20 is where I usually go. Recently, I've been trading mRNA, which is way above $20, but nonetheless, I try to find stocks. EAT is also above $20, but for my PE ratio scanner, I use $5 to $20. I put my PE ratio over 5, my forward PE ratio over 5. I'd like to see a change of 5% and up. So 5% to 200. And then I like my relative volume to be over 2. So these are what I have in there to bring me up. Right now, everything looks like it's just plummeting. The market doesn't look all that. I mean, it's not bad. There have been worse days than this. But for right now, you know, it's best to stick to what you know. So yeah, in my PE ratio, I just set that up in Finviz, and whatever pops on here, I look to see if it's a nice pattern. Now you know my pattern right here. You can see it, and drop and pop. So when I saw this, I knew that this was going to go up. So there it is on a larger scale. Drop, consolidate, pop. Now this thing can go up higher, but I'm not going to wait around for it. I got almost $1, so that's pretty good. And you can see that this stock I traded at one point all the way up to 33.45. Let's go on the monthly and see if it was ever higher. 33.57 actually. So it's not something that has, you know, high value. So I'm just trying to get my fib in. So there it is right there. And 1380. There's another nice support resistance there at 1450. Now I don't know if it's going to go there. I'm probably not going to trade this again. But because I made a good profit on this, I just wanted to show you because I've been using this PE ratio, and I'll put it on again just so you can see. And if you want to put it on, you can get Finviz again as usual free, but if you want the elite version where you can put in stuff like this, you know, that to that and whatever, you're probably gonna have to pay for it, and it's not very expensive, guys. It's only $200 and something, I think, a year. So and most scanners that are not very good are $200 a month. So yeah, here's another one, TIGR. This just popped up. This popped. This did not come on. But yeah, this popped, and now it's going down. It might come up. There is a nice doji right here, but I'm seeing some long wicks. I'll watch this. Oh, there it is. I'll watch this to see if it's gonna go up any higher. But yeah, nonetheless, just wanted to show you, you know, what I have here as the PE ratio, and something you can look into to trade with. Watch it, trade using paper to see, you know, what it does for you. And if you're joining me for the first time, this is what I do. This is the new no, this is not the new. This is the desktop before the new one. But let me just show you what I do. So I go into my daily and see if I've gotten enough of, you know, price action here. And I put in my, let me see what the weekly looks like, because I think that's what I used. So I put in my Fibonacci retracement from bottom to top, and the bottoms are given to you by Webull. That's why I like it. Then I try to find my support resistance. So there is one right here, 15. Let me just change that color so I can differentiate it from the others. There's another one here. There it is. Oh, and that is saying 1384. All right, so then I go to my minute. Actually, 1362 is what that one is saying. But yeah, it's not an exact science. You just have to try to get it. Let's see if I can get it better using the daily. Okay. So I think this is it right here. Yes, there it is. See the support and the resistance, support, resistance, resistance, in between right there. Let's move over. Okay, and that actually is the 1380. So now I got that right. And now, after doing the daily, what we did, find the support resistance, I come to my minute and I do the same thing. So I draw my Fibonacci retracement lines. I'm going to change the color there so I can differentiate it. Let's use this one. All right, and that's how I do it. So this thing, when it starts dropping, is going to come back to here, I'm thinking, which is my 38.2, which is a nice resistance, nice support right there. And VWAP is just trending just above it, but I'm thinking it's going to come right back there. I'm not going to trade it today, but because that's not what this video is about. This is just a quick video of me just showing you how the PE ratio works and how effective it is. So it works for me. See if it works for you. All right. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and share this video if you know someone else who could benefit from it. Also, I have my link there for Webull and for Robinhood. If you want to use those links to sign up, we could both benefit from that. Would really appreciate it. Now, you guys, please trade smart and be patient with yourself, love others, and I'll catch you later. Bye, guys.